Hello everyone, it is Gleb here, and today is an incredible day to tell you about an incredible project I have here for you. What is so special about this beast is that it's crafted out of quartz fiber. High-end quartz fiber, unlike carbon fiber, it's more difficult to work with. Not only that, but it also has one trait that carbon fiber does not. It is the fact that it can acquire basically any color you want. In this case, we use white color, a very peaceful one, beautiful and rare color that you can encounter basically anywhere in our lives. Although we might not really think about it that much, but with this particular model, you can always be sure that it is in your life. The Daytona IRBIS project is based on the reference 1/16/500, which is the stainless steel Daytona. What I really like about this particular one is that it has the beautiful panda dial combined with the white high-end finished quartz case, stainless steel pushers and crown, and of course I need to mention that the hands are crafted in white gold, just as in any Daytona model you can encounter out there. It is incredibly light, although not as light as carbon fiber, due to the fact that quartz might not be as light as carbon itself, although it wears incredibly comfortable on the wrist. The bezel on the IRBIS project is crafted in high-end carbon fiber. It makes the watch even more lighter. The strap is handmade, crafted in natto nylon with a beautiful leather finish from the inside, and it is indeed Velcro. The buckle is also crafted in the material of the case, which is high-end quartz fiber. Overall, the IRBIS project is not a watch you will find anywhere else. There are only 10 pieces around the world. Having one in your collection will make you definitely stand out. With your watch, you will always find our 7-year international warranty. In the box, it is the instructions booklet and certificate of authenticity, and you will also find your additional straps just to make sure you will find the perfect size for you to wear the watch. It takes 18 weeks to produce this beast, and trust me, the wait is totally worth it. Due to the exclusivity of this piece, it is definitely a very hard one to get. So if you would like to add this to your collection, feel free to contact us and we will be glad to assist you and tell you whether or not this can still be available or not. As I might be running out of time, it is time for me to say goodbye. It is Gleb here and I will always be glad to assist you. So feel free to contact me or any part of our team. Wish you a fantastic day, stay classy and stay in touch.